Welcome back everyone, we're still at paragraph 8.5 powers and letters at exercise 67. I'm just going to take a look at A and B here. I think that if you have now already mastered or are quite proficient at theory B, addition with powers, then this is quite doable. You just have to be on the lookout for when there is also a multiplication in your question. And remember the order of operation. We first have to do multiplications and then we can do additions. So here we need theory A, right? What happens when we multiply powers with the same base? In that case we add the exponents up, right? 3 plus 2 is a to the fifth. You see I'm working from top to bottom again because it gives me more insight on my intermediate steps. And here I have an addition with which are like terms. I have the same letter and the same exponents, which means I can add them up. 1a to the fifth plus 3a to the fifth is, you could say, 4a to the fifth power. Right? Let's try another one, B. 2a to the fourth power times a squared plus 5a to the third times a to the third. Here we have two multiplications where we have to take a look at. The first one is right here. Remember, multiplication is always possible. First do the numbers times each other 2 times. You could say there's a 1 here, so just 2. Then a, 4 plus 2 is 6, right? Add the exponents. Plus 5 times 1 you could say is 5. 3 plus 3 is 6. Are those like terms again? Yes, sorry, they are, right? So 2a to the 6th plus 5a to the 6th is 7a to the 6th. And C and D work in the same way, but they try to make it a bit more difficult by throwing in some negatives. But I already taught you guys to not be afraid of negative numbers, so don't be. Use the same method that I used here. First evaluate and calculate the multiplications using the rules learned in theory A, and then add them up if I am left with like terms. That is theory B of this lesson. Good luck.